Bonds are essentially loans that an investor makes to a borrower, which can be a government, municipality, or corporation. When you buy a bond, you are lending money to the issuer, and in return, the issuer promises to pay you a specified rate of interest over a certain period, and to repay the principal amount, also known as face value or par value, when the bond matures or comes due. This makes bonds a type of debt security, often referred to as fixed income securities, because they typically make regular interest payments. Governments and corporations issue bonds to raise capital. For example, municipal bonds are issued by states, cities, and counties to fund public projects like roads and hospitals. The U.S. Treasury issues bonds to finance government activities and manage the national debt. Corporate bonds are issued by companies. One of the key differences between bonds and stocks is that while stocks represent ownership in a company, bonds represent a loan. Bonds are often valued for the regular income they provide through interest payments, and their comparative safety compared to stocks, as they tend to be less volatile. There are different types of bonds, each with varying levels of risk and return. For instance, Treasury bonds are generally considered lower risk because they are backed by the U.S. government, but they tend to offer lower yields. Corporate bonds can have a wide range of credit risks. Those with higher credit ratings generally offer lower interest rates, while high-yield bonds, or junk bonds, come with lower credit ratings and higher risk, but offer higher potential returns. Municipal bonds often offer tax advantages, as the interest is typically exempt from federal income tax, and sometimes state and local taxes. The market value of a bond can fluctuate, but if you hold a bond until maturity, these fluctuations won't affect your interest payments or the face value you receive. Bond ratings, provided by organizations, assess the quality of a bond and its credit risk, influencing its yield.